What would happen if you stopped eating bread for a week? If you consume a lot of bread, it can seriously impact your health. It leads to weight gain, doesn't promote fullness, and can contribute to diabetes. There's no denying, bread is a part of most people's diet. The truth is, today's bread has become a poison. It lacks nutrients, is high in sugar and corn syrup, both of which are detrimental to health. Many grains contain a substance called phytic acid, which inhibits the absorption of minerals such as iron, zinc, and calcium. Worst of all, it's high in gluten, a health-damaging substance that can lead to various autoimmune diseases. Keep this in mind. At the end of this video, I offer a simple and delicious recipe, so you never have to eat bread again. Remember, the bread Jesus ate is not the same bread you eat today. In the 20th century, flour began to be industrially produced, which significantly deteriorated its quality. And here's the evidence. 1. Premature aging. As I mentioned, bread is a nutrient-devoid product. If we consume foods lacking essential vitamins, our bodies cannot remain fresh and youthful. You may notice that flour consumers might appear older than they are. 2. Digestive disorders. Do you feel discomfort in your gut? Are you constipated or too loose? In 90% of cases, gluten is to blame. It affects the intestinal cells, and one can develop various digestive system diseases. 3. Toxicity. As you might know, wheat is now grown on a massive scale. To boost and hasten production, it's sprayed with pesticides to keep it rodent and fungus-free. And that's not all. To whiten the flour, manufacturers use the same substances found in laundry detergents: benzoyl peroxide, sodium and calcium pyrosulfates, and chlorine dioxide. If the bread you purchase is made from refined flour, unfortunately, it undergoes all stages of the process described above. 4. Skin eruptions. You are what you eat. Have you heard that saying? And if one consumes many flour-based products, it will show on their skin. Most skin issues result from reactions to gluten. For context, gluten is scarcely expelled from the body and accumulates in the digestive tract walls, impairing speed. This eventually will disrupt nutrient absorption. Before starting a skincare treatment, you should first review your diet. 5. Addiction. Do you know someone who's literally addicted to bread? The reality is bread is addictive. Flour causes a significant spike in blood sugar and boosts insulin hormone production. You eat just a bit of flour, yet your sugar level rises rapidly and then drops. That's why you soon feel the urge to eat again. Doing this continually is a step toward developing diabetes. Now I ask you, are you willing to eliminate bread from your diet? Then check out this simple and delicious recipe that will help you remove this poison from your table forever. Ingredients. This bread contains no flour, milk, egg, or yeast. For the recipe, you'll need only 200 grams of either sweet or sour cassava starch, 200 grams of sweet potato, half a cup of coconut oil, hot water, and salt to taste. Instructions. Cut the sweet potatoes and cook them, skin and all, while preheating your oven to 400 degrees, around 200 degrees. Once the potatoes are soft, peel and mash them. Put the mashed potato in a bowl. Add the cassava starch, then the coconut oil, and mix well. Gradually add hot water and keep mixing until the dough reaches the right consistency. The dough is ready when it's no longer sticky. Once the dough is prepared, grease a baking tray, separate your dough portions, and bake for about 30 minutes. Though baking time might vary depending on your oven, when the bread rolls are golden brown, you can take them out. They will be soft inside and extraordinarily crispy on the outside. Serve and enjoy this treat with your entire family. A simple, fast, and super healthy recipe. If you wish, you can also season it to taste. Add pink salt, oregano, turmeric, pepper. The choice is yours. Are you up to try this recipe and then share your thoughts with me? Help me spread this video to more people. May God bless you and your entire family.